So, what's the process of getting the settlement check after a settlement has been reached? Our clients will have to sign what's called a release. A release is just a document that releases the other party and any claims against them and their insurance company. Once the release is signed and returned to the insurance adjuster or to the defense lawyer, then a check is issued by the insurance company. That usually it takes several days at the very least, sometimes up to a week, for the insurance company to check their boxes to make sure they're issuing a check in the right case and to make sure that they have the signed release back. Then they will usually mail the check to our office. Now, oftentimes we can ask that they expedite the check and send it overnight, but usually it takes at least several business days for us to receive the check. Once we receive the check, we deposit the check into our attorney client trust account. And this is an account that's set up by law that allows us to deposit checks that is our client's property, but we also have an interest in. So we deposit the check into our attorney client trust account. Then we issue what's called a settlement authorization to our clients. The settlement authorization spells out exactly how much the settlement is, how much the expenses are in the case for us to work the case up, and then also the attorney fee in the case. Also, if there are any liens or anybody that needs to be reimbursed out of the settlement, that's also made clear on the settlement authorization. Once our client signs the settlement authorization, we are authorized to release the funds from our attorney client trust account to our clients. And we usually do that in the form of a wire transfer to their bank account, or we can issue them a check.